You are sitting still right now. Maybe you are holding your phone. You feel safe, ordinary, like nothing unusual is happening. But the universe is killing you right now, slowly, quietly, from every direction. Not metaphorically, measurably. And it has been doing it since the day you were born. You just never noticed. Something invisible is passing through you at this exact moment. Cosmic rays, not light, particles. Protons and atomic nuclei shot out from dying stars, traveling at nearly the speed of light for millions of years across the void. And then they hit you. One cosmic ray passes through every square centimeter of your body every second. Your hand, your chest, your brain, constantly threaded through by matter from dead stars. When one of these particles hits a molecule in your body, it can snap a strand of DNA in two. Your body repairs most of it. Molecular machinery evolved over billions of years handles this quietly, without asking you, but not always perfectly. Some damage slips through. A misrepaired strand of DNA is sometimes the first step toward cancer. You cannot opt out. No shield stops a particle moving at 99.9% the speed of light. Now think about the sun. Not the warm thing in the sky, what it actually is. A nuclear furnace 93 million miles away, converting 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second, constantly ejecting charged particles at 500 miles per second in every direction. Scientists call this the solar wind. Earth's magnetic field deflects most of it. Without that shield, radiation would strip our atmosphere away. Exactly what happened to Mars after it lost its magnetic field billions of years ago. The shield is not perfect. At cruising altitude in an airplane, you absorb the equivalent of a chest X-ray per transatlantic flight. The FAA classifies pilots as radiation workers because of this. But here is the part almost nobody talks about. You are not just being threatened by the cosmos. You are made of it. Every atom in your body was forged inside a star. The carbon in your cells, the iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, none of it came from Earth. It came from stars that exploded and scattered their contents across space, where it drifted for millions of years before gravity pulled it into a planet, then an ocean, then something that can read a sentence. And some of what you are made of is still decaying. Your body contains radioactive potassium-40, an isotope created in a supernova before our solar system existed. It is in your food, your water, your cells. Your body undergoes around 4,400 radioactive decays per second from this alone. You have always been radioactive. Every human who ever lived was radioactive. The source is not Earth. It is the core of a long-dead star. Then there is time itself. Einstein showed that gravity warps space-time and that clocks run at different rates in different gravitational fields. Your head is slightly higher than your feet. Gravity is very slightly weaker there. Scientists have confirmed with atomic clocks that this difference is measurable over just a few centimeters. Right now, time is moving at two slightly different rates through your own body, imperceptible, but physically real. And the universe is expanding, right now. The fabric of space is stretching in every direction, carrying everything away from everything else. Not through space, with space, as space itself grows. The forces holding your atoms together are strong enough to resist this at human scales. But the expansion is happening. The universe is gently, constantly trying to pull everything apart. It just cannot get a grip on you yet. You step outside, feel the sun, and think, warm. But you are standing in the outflow of a nuclear explosion 93 million miles away, pressing against a magnetic shield that has protected life on this planet for billions of years. A shield you have never seen and never had to think about. You breathe in. You feel normal. But right now your cells are repairing radiation damage. Your DNA is being checked and corrected by machines so small they have no name in any language you grew up speaking. You are a temporary arrangement of stellar debris, assembled into consciousness, sitting inside the thin protected shell of a small planet's magnetic field, in one galaxy among 2 trillion, in a universe 13.8 billion years old that is still expanding and shows no sign of stopping. And right now, a particle from a star that died before our sun existed is passing through your hand. You never noticed. But the universe did not ask for your permission.